My day starts, I'm here in the beautiful city of Seattle, so I actually work with customers' environments. Everything from architecting their environments and helping guide them in best practices on that, to troubleshooting their environments.
You fix their issues and in the end they are really happy and they tell you, oh, this has been the best thing ever.
I think someone would choose to work at AWS because we have some of the strongest engineering talent in the world. And these people are customer obsessed, and so that means they are great at working with customers, but they also are terrific teammates and they work well with each other. We support customers from 190 countries. Our team is spread in 60 cities all around the world.
Amazon has this really amazing follow the sun model because we have so many centers across the world.
In US we have 3 sites, Virginia, Dallas and Seattle.
Let's say there's sun in Sydney right now, so Sydney people are working, we're all asleep.
I'm basically handing off work to them. So they're picking up any of the workload or any of the pressure issues. Then they hand off over to another site that basically goes from Sydney on over to our India site, which then goes to our Dublin site, which then goes to our Cape Town site, and you kind of see the progress. The main benefit to the cloud support engineer is that it allows me to have a work-life balance. You know, I'm able to ensure that I go home at a reasonable time, but at the same time not bring home the work that I was thinking about. We actually do have a bit of fun here as well.
Working with great engineers, and also I get to come into an office with $1 million views and 360 view of Sydney, which is also good.
Every one of the engineers we hire goes through the same bar raising process as an SDE that works on EC2. These are highly technical individuals that work on very complicated problems for some of the strongest companies and governments in the world.
This is like a technical center where you have to work with other really brilliant people who are technically very sound. You get to learn a lot from them, and once you're here, you'll definitely feel the difference.
You work with a very broad set of services. You have a very broad technical view.
When those new services are put out there, that gives me the opportunity to learn new technology.
It's really diving deep for the customer issues that the customers are asking about. So it's not only about like troubleshooting an issue that they might come to you with. It's about having that picture of what the customer is trying to do and help them resolve like 2 to 3 issues that they may come across.
I'm able to be empowered. That is huge in any job.
Like I always wanted to build something.
I had an upbringing where computers were always around.
Always thinking of a system, like there should be a system in everything.
You know, eventually I wound up breaking my dad's computer. Well, that resulted in maybe the engineering side of me, where I then wanted to fix the computer and find out, well, how do I address some issue like this?
If someone is starting their career over here, they have ample of opportunities to make their mark in Amazon.
I feel like this was probably the best decision that I had ever made. Working here at AWS has been huge, and I actually hope it to be years to come.